You need to say something in English, but 10 people are staring at you. Your voice shakes, your mind goes blank, and you say nothing. This lesson is for beginner English learners who freeze when others are listening. By the end, you'll know exactly what to say when everyone's watching. Miss this, and you'll avoid speaking in groups forever. Brian, what happens when you have to talk in front of people?
I forget every word I know.
Even simple stuff?
Everything. My brain just stops.
That's normal. The fear is real, but we can fix it. First situation, you're in a meeting or class. The teacher asks you a question. Everyone turns to look at you. What do?
Panic.
Right, but here's the trick. Buy yourself time. Say, let me think, or that's a good question.
That's allowed?
Totally. It gives your brain 2 seconds to catch up. Americans do this constantly. Try it. Say, let me think.
Let me think.
Good. Now say, that's a good question.
That's a good question.
Perfect. See? You sound thoughtful, not scared. Now, what if you genuinely don't know the answer?
I'd want to disappear.
Don't. Just be honest. Say, I'm not sure, or I don't know actually. Then you can add, what do you think? And put it back on them.
Won't I look dumb?
No, you look honest. Way better than making something up. And what do you think is brilliant because now they're talking, not you.
Oh, I like that.
Next situation, you're introducing yourself to a group. Maybe first day at work or a party. Everyone's quiet, waiting for you to speak. Terrifying, right?
The worst.
Keep it short. Say your name, where you're from, and one simple thing, like, hi, I'm Brian. I'm from Mexico. I love coffee. Done.
That's it?
That's it. Don't give your life story. Short is confident. Practice. Say, hi, I'm Brian. I'm from Mexico. I love coffee.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from Mexico. I love coffee.
Excellent. Again.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm from Mexico. I love coffee.
Beautiful. Now nobody expects more. You spoke, you're done. Next person goes.
What if my voice shakes?
It's okay. Everyone hears it, but nobody cares as much as you think. Just keep going. Don't apologize for it.
I always say sorry.
Stop doing that. Saying sorry makes it bigger. Just push through. Now, different scenario. Someone asks you something and you didn't hear it because you're nervous. What do you say?
What?
Close. Say, sorry, could you repeat that? Buys you time and nobody knows you're panicking.
Okay.
Here's another one. You're speaking and you forget a word. Middle of your sentence. Everyone's staring. Don't stop. Say, or you know, and describe it differently.
Example?
You want to say refrigerator, but you blank. Say, the thing where you keep food cold. People will get it.
That doesn't sound stupid.
Not at all. Native speakers do this too. Communication matters, not perfect words. Now, big one. You make a grammar mistake. Out loud, in front of everyone. What do?
Die inside.
No, keep talking. Don't correct yourself. Most people don't even notice, and if they do, they don't care.
Really?
Really, stopping to fix it makes it awkward. Just finish your thought, move on.
That's hard to do.
I know, but it works. Here's the truth. People aren't judging your grammar. They're listening to your idea. Now, what if you have to give a presentation or speech?
No way.
Yes way, and you can do it. Write down your first sentence word for word. Memorize it. That gets you started. Once you start, it's easier.
Just the first sentence?
Yep. After that, you have notes or slides to guide you. The beginning is the hardest part. Also, look at foreheads, not eyes. Feels like eye contact, but less scary.
Foreheads?
Trust me, nobody can tell. And if you mess up, laugh a little. Say, let me try that again. People relate to that.
What if I go completely blank?
Look at your notes. Say, sorry, 1 second, and find your place. Better than standing there silent.
Can I say my English isn't perfect?
You can, but don't start with that. It puts the focus on your English, not your message. Save it for if you really struggle with a word.
Makes sense.
Another trick, slow down. When you're nervous, you rush. Breathe, pause between sentences. It makes you sound confident even if you're not.
I always talk too fast.
Everyone does. Pausing feels weird to you, but sounds great to listeners. Try this. Say, I think this is important. Then pause for 2 seconds. Then say, here's why.
I think this is important. Here's why.
Perfect. That pause made you sound smart. Do that when you speak in groups.
Okay.
Last thing, after you speak, don't apologize. Don't say, sorry, my English is bad, or that probably didn't make sense. Just stop talking. Let it land.
I do that every time.
Stop. You said what you said. Own it, even if it wasn't perfect. Quick review. Someone asks you a question in front of others. You say,
let me think.
You don't know the answer.
I'm not sure. What do you think?
You forget a word while talking.
Describe it differently and keep going.
You make a mistake.
Don't stop. Keep talking.
Exactly. Here's the secret. Nobody remembers your mistakes. They remember if you tried or if you stayed silent. So speak. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be brave. Here's my question for you. What's the scariest situation for speaking English in front of people? Job interview, presentation, party? Tell me in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe for more confidence lessons. You've got this.